LimeLite is a lighting design and manufacturing company. We specialise in architectural and commercial lighting. We're not afraid to embrace new technologies and innovation. We're one of the first in the world to do 3D printed lighting in a production level. We use local manufacturers and suppliers for the majority of our products. So when we say Australian made, we really mean it's Australian made. We try to keep it here as much as we can. LimeLite's really been known for being a functional company. In the past, we make a lot of light fittings for hospitals, schools, offices. But what we're stepping into now is we've added a bit of ambience to our range. I say with the new technology we have, we're always innovating and challenging ourselves. And with 3D printing, the possibilities are endless. Whatever we can put our imagination to, we can get our head around it and bring that to market. And we can do it a lot quicker than your conventional manufacturing processes. We can just design it on the computer, make some changes and then just put it straight on the printer. And a few hours later we have a finished product. So very exciting.